Okay, I got my seeds from Uprising Seeds.
Wow.
One thing I really appreciated about this particular seed company is they supported the recent economic strikes at their own personal expense. So I can appreciate that. They got my business as far as I'm concerned. Support your local seed company. You don't have to go to the big guys all the time. There's a lot of little seed companies that would appreciate the business.
Good idea.
So let's open it up, see what I got. First off, the packaging is good packaging. Oh yeah. It's like Christmas time. Let's see here. Okay, so what did I get? Mexican Tarragon, Marigold. Oh, interesting. Must be in the Marigold family. Very nice. Okay, but I accidentally got two of these, so one of these I'll be giving away. Oregon Homestead Sweet Meat Winter Squash. I think winter squashes are great to be able to grow. They provide a lot of calories. Pretty easy to take care of, especially here in the Northwest. They're a piece of cake. I did get another zucchini. Now, I like zucchini, but last year's I had moderate success. I didn't think it really did all that well. We'll see if I can do a little bit better this year. This is one of my favorite squashes right here. This is called Odessa squash. It is kind of like zucchini. It's very mild, kind of sweet, very easy to grow. I've had a lot of good success with Odessa squash. These are those little tiny cucumbers that are about like this. Kind of excited to give these a try. I've never grown these, but I'm pretty excited about that. Silver slicers. This is a slicing cucumber. I generally, well, not only do I slice my cucumbers, but I usually pickle these type of things too. I usually try to avoid kind of cutesy type cucumbers, but I'm gonna give this one a try. Last year's I did straight eights and something else. They were okay. I didn't really care for them a whole lot. This is a sweet pepper. I've had not great success growing sweet peppers, so I'm gonna try this one. This pepper here kind of looks like a jalapeno, and it's supposed to be very good here in the Northwest. So I'm pretty excited about giving this one a try and see if I can have more success. My goal has been for the last couple of years to be able to grow all the peppers that I need to make all the salsa that I want. And the one thing that's been my downfall is I keep having to buy bell peppers, and I'm hoping that this will kind of fill the gap. Pretty excited about trying this one out. And then I bought some ground cherries. Don't know a whole lot about them other than people seem to like them. So I'm gonna go ahead and give these ground cherries a try. So that's what I just got from Uprising Seeds. I'm really excited about that. And then I've got a couple of, I'm gonna try purple jalapeno. Now I got this from the Linwood seed catalog that they have over there. Great resource if you guys haven't checked it out. There's a lot of the different libraries and stuff that have these seed catalogs that you can go in and get free seeds. Whoa. So that's this year's seed order. Most of the other seeds that I'm gonna be growing this year, I saved from last year. I'm a big believer in seed saving. That's what I got for now. I'm gonna go ahead and get some of these peppers started, and that'll be in the next video. If you get something out of the video, like, share, and subscribe, and have a great day, everybody. And support your local seed company.